Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. We're looking at a chart of Under Armour. The symbol is UA, and it's had a really good run this year so far. You can see originally where we got in, which is right here. This is a monthly signal, and that was back in July of last year. And you can see pretty much the market sort of up and down, up and down, up and down. But our last signal was right here. You can see that. That was at 69.47. We're currently trading at 72.85. So a little bit of a profit in there. But again, it looks as though the market wants to go higher. This is a new high on Under Armour today. And one of the reasons for that, they had really good earnings. And second of all, they're moving into something that's very exciting. They purchased 2 apps. And this is where I think they were going to win. They just picked out information on 100 million potential customers. Yes, 100 million. These are people who are avid in sports, running, biking, exercising, and so forth, and they all have to wear gear, clothes, and this is where I think Under Armour is going to really win out. Now look at the technical makeup of this market. You have a cycle high here, the market comes down, you come back up, you have another cycle high, come back down, have another, not quite, comes back down, and I think this is going to be the push up. In the next couple of months we're going to see Under Armour go higher, and the reason for that is because of this app purchase. They've spent $560 million to basically buy two apps and 100 million potential customers. It's a great deal. Kevin, who is the chairman and founder of Under Armour, who only is an hour from where our corporate offices are here in Maryland, is looking ahead. He sees the future. He wants to be around the world. He wants to be fitness, and I think he's got a great idea. I think the stock is going to go much, much higher. In the interim, you can just take a line across the highs here like this. You see how it stopped here, here, and here, and you can measure from the lows, which were 60, to where this midpoint is, and I would say that's around 72. So that's about $12. I think we're looking at this stock going to $85. This next swing up in Under Armour, that's our target zone, 85 on the upside. Again, all the trade triangles are positive. We're a little bit overbought. We may come back a little bit. We're seeing some pullback today, but if we get a chance to come back to this 50 line again, buy Under Armour and use the trade triangles to get in and out of the market. It looks really good to us. Watch the trend in 2015 in sports, exercise, and wellness, and this is positioned Under Armour in a great, great way. So let's move on. Quite a bit of volatility, to say the very least, in the space of trading in crude oil, and we still think we made a low. A couple of reasons for that. Okay, looking at crude oil, it's been volatile, it's been jumping all around the place, but a couple of things you want to look at in crude oil, in my opinion, and that is, one, we have a weekly triangle right here indicating the trend is up. We have a daily triangle indicating the trend is up. We have a 70 score, not a super strong trend yet because we still have the monthly in a negative mode. But look, we've had a 3-day pullback from the highs. We are long from 51.73 on our weeklies, and the market's trading at 51.69, about flat to where we got in. But look at where the RSI is. We came right back to the 50 line, which is support. We've talked about this before, and we're turning back up. Let's see how this market closes tomorrow, because if it closes higher on the week, I think there's a very, very good chance we've actually made a major turn in crude oil, and a bottom has been put in place right here. So let's see how that plays out tomorrow. Just going to take a quick look at gold. Gold is sort of in a sideways mode right now, a trading range of 55, and we're over the 200-day moving average. We do have a monthly in place, and we do have a weekly in place. So all we're waiting for is the daily to kick back in. But this type of formation, I think, is bullish. We're still looking for the 1340 level on the upside. 1340 is our target zone on the upside for gold. And this type of formation in this pullback like this is a bullish formation as I see it. If we see a breakthrough, let's say, I would say probably the 1280, 1290 area, then you want to be long gold, because the next swing will push it up, I believe, to this level here, 1340. And look at where the RSI is, right on support. So don't miss out on this gold trade. I think it'll be a good one. I think the problems with Ukraine, the problems with Greece, which is going to get worse, in my opinion. It's not going to get better because the Greeks will not want to pay the amount of money they owe. So let's see how things play out. I'm Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Every success. Be sure to leave a comment below this post, and I hope you like our new look, our new landing page. We've got a lot of new changes coming in to Market Club soon. Please be patient with us because I think you're really going to like these changes. Have a great trading day, everyone.